This is pretty much the home screen of the drama application. So as you can see, a lot of drama series which you can watch. You have the romance section, you have a lot of them, guys. A love triangle, billionaire. It's all drama, guys. So at the top here, you can go ahead and search for what you want. As you can see here, you have a lot of options to choose from. As you can see here, you have the trending options as well. You can check out those. You can just tap on these series, as for example, this one here. It may not be showing for you guys, but I don't know. But this one here, you can check out this one here. You have the episode section. You can go ahead and check out the episodes. You can tap on this option here and as well see all the episodes that they offer. And some of these episodes might be locked. And as well, you can just tap on the episode, as you can see here, the locked one, and pretty much go ahead and unlock it. But keep in mind, you're going to need coins to unlock these episodes. So if you don't have any coins, then you're going to need. If you don't have any coins, you can either watch 5 ads to unlock the episodes. So that's pretty much one episode. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And just go back real quick. So in the explore option, here you'll be able to scroll, similar to TikTok, you'll be able to scroll and see other drama series. It will just show you the most interesting part of the movie, and it will just show you a preview and so forth. Nothing much anyway. Able to scroll and see a lot of different drama series, which you can as well check out. You can add them to your favorite list, but I won't be able to show you guys because due to your privacy policies, I won't be able to show it that section as well. So in the My List section here is pretty much where you see all the drama series that you have watched. And as well at the top here, you can see the saved one and also the episodes that you have purchased. And over here is pretty much where you get your free coins. So just using your application, you'll be able to get free coins. You can see here you get 10 coins for free. As well, you have some other coins which you can get as well. And just for logging into the application, you do get free coins as well. You have to follow them on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and as well on X. You'll be able to get free coins. So as you can see here, how much coins you're getting for each of these tasks. And the more you even watch on this application or more drama series you watch, you get free coins as well. So there's just a lot of ways in which you can get free coins. So for you to purchase coins, you can go in the My Page section here and tap on recharge coins and you'll be able to purchase coins. So not just coins, subscription as well. So subscription is pretty much different from coins. You can see here what we're getting with your subscription. You have a weekly subscription, a monthly subscription, and a yearly subscription. Down here as well, they do have the option for you to purchase coins. As you can see here, 100 coins, and you can see the pricing and pretty much everything as it reads the coins. So you're going to need coins to pretty much unlock episodes, so do keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And as well, you can tap on the code icon at the top here to go in the subscription page, as it is just the subscription and not the coins. So that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you out.